Okay guys, so I'm here for Valentine's little treat bags for my kids and also supplies to put in, and look how cute everything is. They have the pencils, which you get 12 of them. The erasers are adorable. The little pops, those are cute. You will get 4. They also have the notebooks this year. You get 8 of them. And they have the ones in the car. Look at, they got the stickers, the paddle bar ball, and the little treat bags. They have the cutest ones. And that one's my favorite. These are new. These are the straws, and you get 6 of them. So I think I can fit a straw in the goodie bag. I was thinking either the straw or a pair of the sunglasses. So either that one or this one into my son's goodie bag, but I'm not sure which one yet. But I thought they were cute. They have the treat bags. And let me get a goodie bag to see if it would fit. Yeah, I think that either or fit in the goodie bag. So I'm either taking the straws or the sunglasses, but I'm only doing one toy, and the rest is going to be either chocolate, chips, and a drink. They also have the small goodie bags, which you get 30 of them. A 6-piece of the dinosaur. That's cool too. Maybe I'll do that one. And the yo-yo. So you get 6 of those. That's cool. 6 of the dinosaurs. So I can do either or. And then over here, they have more. You get 6 of those as well. So there's a lot of options if you want to go ahead and stop and get some goodie bags and stuff for the kids. Your Dollar Tree is perfect. Then here on top, they have little gifts that you can give the teachers. These are cute. You can fill them up with chocolates. They have a ton of different colors. They have the pink, the purple. Then at the bottom, they got the cute little mailboxes. And they also have them. Those are cute to give to the teachers as well. With a gift card, you can put the gift card inside the mailbox. Oh, what a great idea. So the gift card does fit in there. And even a piece of chocolate. I think this is a great idea. I'm going to take a couple of those for my channel. They got, oh, Angie, I know you wanted one of these, so I'm going to go ahead and get that. Let me know, girl, if you found it. If not, I'll send you this one as soon as I can. I'll put that in my cart. And they also have it in the red. I know she wanted the pink. And look at how cute they are. They're in the red, and they're metal, and they're in the pink. The bottom, the little wood hearts that everybody's going crazy for. The ribbon which is gorgeous this year, as well as the mesh. Then they have the little lights. These are new, the little roses. I know people have been posting them, and I think I saw them in different colors, but right here they only have them in the red. Oh no, they have them in the white as well. Cute. Uh-oh. Okay. Oh, on top they have the little boxes, which you can add a gift as well for a teacher. You can add a gift card in here. You can add money. You can add chocolates. I think this is cute for a teacher as well. You can paint it for her and hang it up. The gnome, so cute. So they have both of them. They have the car and the gnome, so it'll be perfect for like even a DIY project for the kids. You could have the kids paint it for the teacher, and then it has something to hang it up with. Put the money in there, put a gift card. Perfect gift. Affordable. Yeah, perfect if you add a little $10, $15 gift card. I think they would like that. Over here we have more stuff. We have little gifts that you can add under. They have little lip glosses as well. Then you can give the teachers. I think these are cute. So many good ideas here at the Dollar Tree to give the teachers, to do DIYs with the kids. These are cute as well. Everybody's going crazy over these. The garland, I think these are cute for a gift as well, or just for decor. I know they have them in different colors. Go ahead and check out my Instagram for that. I think I was in the store where they had like 3 different shades of colors, and I posted it, so go check that out. Right here they have the hugs and kisses one, and the hugs. So see, they have different sayings. That's cute. Over here they have the little ornaments for your trees, as well as the signs. They have the little pom-pom garlands, which are adorable. You guys, these are so cute. And they have them in the red and the pink. Then over here they have the little projects, which I love giving to the students, but I could not find this year to give my son. He has 15 in his classroom, and for some reason I didn't get the wood ones, the DIY kits where you paint them and you color them. I haven't found them, so I guess I'm gonna have to make goodie bags for him as well. And they got the 12 set pencils, and they have the notebooks on the other side, so you can do a pencil and a notebook as well. And they have the stickers. You get 18 boxes, which are perfect to put it in a kid's goodie bag, as well as stickers and the stamps, which are adorable. So here you go, you guys. I gave you a couple of ideas for the gifts for teachers, for the kids. But yeah, they had a lot of new stuff here, as well as, let me go by the chocolate section. I wanted to come over here because I am gonna make a DIY candy decor for the boys to give them this year. So I think I'm gonna pick up a couple of these bags, and then you guys check out my video. I'll load it soon. But yeah, they have a ton of stuff here, especially to give away for Valentine's. Look at how cute that is. And these cookies, they do have little Valentine cookies. Look how cute. Okay guys, so until next time, bye you guys.